Welcome. This is Howdy Honda's web series on how to use the technology in your brand new Honda vehicle. Today we're here to talk about how to use the navigation in your 2018 Honda Pilot. From your home screen, tap Navigation. Then you'll find that you're on the map. Once you want to tell it where you want to go, just tap the magnifying glass in the upper right corner. You can either search where you want to go, type in an address, find a place, set your house, go by category, save certain places, or track where you've already been. Search by tapping on your city. You can pick where you already are or type in a different place. Once you've done that, then just go to your search bar, a keyboard pops up, and you can type in either the name or the address, then tap on search. And it will list them in the order of closest to furthest for your convenience. Tap on the one that you want. You can, from here, either just tell it to go, or if you're not sure exactly where this might be, tap the little eye, and it will show you on the map where it is to confirm that it is the correct location, and then you can tap on go.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Now your arrival time will be on the bottom. Any traffic delays will pop up, and then you can tap to see where that might be and about how long they are. Tap on your back, and then it will, of course, show you arrival time as well as arrival distance. Once you've arrived, just tap on the little stop icon in the middle there to stop your route.